IZ Corp Radio, 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 IZ Corp Radio. Bowler Loke, the new high society social club. Cricket is the game in high society. And in South Florida, IZ Corp Exchange is now introducing Fun in the Sun. Are you somebody? Living like a bowler, Loke, is being somebody. Coming together in the Upper East Side of Miami, Bowler Loke headquarters will exist. Bowler Loke Cricket Club. Join now. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Ebo Richards, CEO of IZ Corp Exchange, and you're listening to a segment of Smart Investor Society. Smart Investor Society is a member of the IZ Corp Exchange in good standings. And this is IZ Corp Exchange Radio. IZ Corp Exchange Radio. First thing I have to tell you is investments involves risk and are not suitable for all investors. Information in this program study are for the participants in good standings with or about the IZ Corp Exchange. Otherwise, this is not investment advice. The information is solely for the participants and only reflect the opinions of the participants in good standings on or about the IZ Corp Exchange, and do not necessarily reflect that of IZ Corp Exchange's clients, customers, patients, patrons, partners, apprentices, servants, representatives, associates, and agents. Thank you. Oh, and I also have to tell you, for annual membership of IZ Corp Smart Investor Society is $50,000 per year and $25,000 for per quarter, which is every 12 parts, which is every 90 days, and you get a 12-part free. So every 120 days, it's $25,000, and an annual prescription is $50,000 per year. Let's get right into it. Some information came up to me today, and I was actually before the holidays. How was everybody's 4th of July, by the way? Mine was great. I watched, I made some ribs on the grill, and I also, I watched the baseball game. I was between baseball games. You know that MLB Tonight thing? They show like 4 different baseball games. This is fun. And and then I watched Donna Justice and fell asleep and went to bed. So, I hope everybody made it safe. I know that, I hope all the law enforcement and the protectors of our great nation kept our great nation safe and free. And like I said, let's get right into it. We were looking at patterns. So when you're looking at patterns in trading, it's like the trend. We say low left to right, low left, high right. You see a stock in that position with a certain amount of days. You say, well, this stock is going up. It's been going up. You might not say it's not going to go up forever, but it's been going up. So, patterns engulfing illustrations on how algorithms provide information clarifying the market's behavior. I had to put this together, so just kind of stick with me here. You can find this on the blog, by the way. Bullish cycles tell how bulls control the market by identifying what sectors and industries the bulls are participating in, and vice versa for bears. So bulls trends, the bull in illustrations goes low left to high right. The bears goes high left to low right. You see? Recognizing support is a fundamental argument. Support and resistance, I don't like it. But it's a fundamental argument in the market, in the trading, and it should not go unrecognized. Not so much on how the stock or the issue, what we say at IZ Corp, we don't say stock, we say issue, is in relation to price action, but not so much how the issue in relation to price action, but the volume. So you're not much looking at, well, the stock usually stops at $44 and then buys up again. You're looking more at how much volume is coming into the market when that market starts going back up. So keep an eye on volume. Volume meaning rolling. So you want to look at over a certain amount of time within that period, how much volume is coming into that issue and into that market. PAM Trade School teaches this well, and enrollment begins in September 2017 again. The trade is controlled by what is a, quote, prevent mechanism, identified and created by PAM Trade School through IC Technology and endorsed by NetNet Secure, which are all members of IZ Corp Exchange in good standings, mind you. Prevent mechanism controls the market action after the position is taken, rather than the market controlling the position. So keep that in mind as a fundamental of trading and patterns. Here's what we all been waiting for. We've been doing the bum index, so we're building this portfolio. Go ahead and help yourself to 100 shares of EXEL. Now, we've been in this thing since about $11, $12. It's been really volatile. So traders are really getting into it. What I can tell you is it's a cancer research company. And that's neither here nor there. So you could wake up tomorrow and the stock could be back down to $7 because they'll say this stuff is not good and it's killing people. EXEL, help yourself to 100 shares. We got in at 24. We got in this time again at 24.88. The trading principle of the day. The system, what you use, what you will with whatever you use is with your strategy. The system that you use is only as good as its operator. Now remember this, when rules of money management are compromised, one can easily wipe out their entire account and then some and scar themselves emotionally. Again, my name is Mr. Ebo Richards. You have been listening to a segment of Smart Investor Society on IZ Corp Exchange Radio. Thank you and have a great day.